Hey guys, welcome to the fourth tutorial of Python for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will learn about for loop. What is a for loop? A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. Now that sequence can be either a list, tuple, dictionary, set, or a string. Here's the syntax for variable in sequence. Now let's switch to Visual Studio Code and write some code there. New file, select language, Python. Now here, let's define a list of numbers. Two, three, four, five, 6, and 7. Now use a for loop to print the contents of this list in numbers, print variable. Save the file as for, run. Now you get the contents of the list printed, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can change the contents also. Save the file, run it again. It has printed till 6. Now what happens if we change this list to a dictionary? Save the file. This time 7, 8, 9. Save the file. Clear screen. Run it. Now I printed out all the contents, which is 1, 2, 3 till 9. Let's make use of a range function. Now what is a range function? A range function generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n minus 1. So what it does generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n minus 1. Let's try. For variable in range 5. Print variable. Now let's comment this upper section. Save. Clear the screen and run the job. So it has written all the numbers starting from 0 to n minus 1, which is 4 in our case. Now in range function we can give the starting number also. Let's start with 1 and goes till n minus 1, which should be 5 in our case now. Clear the screen, save the script, run it. So it has written starting from 1 this time and n minus 1, which is 5. Now what if you want to do some else statement? Is that possible? It is. Let's write down. Else print loop has completed execution. Now what it will do, it will write from 1 till 5 and then it will write loop has completed execution. Let's clear it, save the script, run it. 1 till 5, then loop has completed execution. Well, this is a short tutorial for loop. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about if conditional statement and while loop. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.